So I was out and about today, which I'm rarely going to town. I don't like it. I don't like driving in it. I just don't. But I went in and I thought, you know what? I'm going to stop at Trader Joe's. I haven't been there in forever. And I thought, why don't I just stop and see what they have, see what new stuff they have, and see what kind of fun stuff I can get. And so tonight, since it is officially pizza night when dad's gone, husband's gone, not my dad. And so we're going to do a Trader Joe's pizza from scratch. They sell their own dough. There's a couple different stores that do that as well. But Trader Joe's does their own pizza dough. They sell it in the refrigerated section. And so we've got the garlic and herb pizza dough. And then we've got Trader Joe's pizza sauce, Trader Joe's basil, Trader Joe's mozzarella, and then I always have to put in my pizza spices, which I got this, I think, at the grocery store at King Soopers. And yeah, it's by McCormick's, and it is, where are we? Garlic, oregano, red pepper, salt, and onion. Yeah. So this I put on the actual dough before I put all of, my pizza sauce and all of my fun toppings. You can put this on at that point. You can put this on after. It's just like when you go to the pizza parlor, the red peppers and the cheese that they have on the table. It's just like that. So it doesn't need to cook. You can put it on raw, whatever you want to do. But I like putting it on before I cook my pizza, just because I like the taste of it. And so we are gonna see how this turns out. We're only gonna do one pizza tonight because it's just me and my daughter, and I again have some health issues, and so I'm trying to really kind of watch what I'm eating and that type of thing, so we can figure out what's going on. But anyway, so we're gonna get this started. You are gonna take the pizza dough out. You're gonna let it rest on a floured surface, which we have here. So it's been sitting out, resting for about an hour, I think, while I kind of packed up and packed everything and then straightened up my kitchen. Okie dokie. So what we're gonna do, obviously, I washed my hands. We're just gonna do the same thing that we do with my pizza dough, and we are gonna just get this stretched out. We've got our oven preheated or preheating at 375. And so we're just gonna roll this out nice and thin. I actually think I'm gonna get my pizza pan and put it on there and roll it out. I usually put rice flour on my baking dish when I'm doing pizza, but I ran out and I forgot to check to see if Trader Joe's had it. Alright, so this is gonna make a pretty big pizza. There's another store that makes their own pizza dough. I don't know other ones, but Winco in the Pacific Northwest, they also do their own pizza dough, which is pretty good. That's kind of where we started when COVID hit, and I started really, obviously, having to cook at home. And we found that, and I thought that was fantastic. And it turned out it was pretty good. So it's definitely worth it. And then I hear, I'm so excited that they are building a Winco in just north of Denver in a town. I think it's either in Thornton or Broomfield. But I'm so excited. I told my husband, I don't care if I only go shopping once a month, that's where I'm going. They've got tons of bulk spices and bulk grains and just things I love and I miss. expensive at all. All right, so we are going to poke holes in this because, again, like my pizza dough, you don't want it to pop up. And let's see. Yeah, you don't even have to pre-cook this. Fantastic. I guess I should have read that first. All right, so we are going to go ahead, and of course, this is sharing with Rory, so we're going to make it very basic. And this is again the garlic and herb pizza dough. They have plain, and I think they even had a garlic cheese. I can't recall. But again, Trader Joe's pizza sauce. I've never tried it before, so I don't know how it is. So we're going to try it. It's good. It's a little on the sweet side, but it's good. It's not mine. All right, so we're going to get that slathered on. And like I said, I would love at some point to have an outdoor pizza oven. It's my husband's dream to have one. But while he is working on the chicken coop, he's not allowed to do anything else. No, I'm just kidding. The chicken coop is turning out fantastic. It's so big. I'm super excited. My daughter thought up a great name or a great saying for the side of the chicken coop. She says, if you don't pay the lease, you become a six-piece. Which I thought was funny. All right, so we're going to have some left over. So if we like this, we will see when the husband gets home and see how he likes it. All right. Get some garlic on there because, you know, we always have to have extra garlic. Super flavorful. And we let tomato on our meatless pizza. She likes extra tomato. One good thing too is you can, if you like, put this underneath cheese. But if you like tomato on your pizza, like she does, is to put the spices on top of the tomato. And that way when you take a bite into your tomato, you will taste the spices. All right, so we've got our Trader Joe's mozzarella grated. And this is going to cook at 475 for about 8 to 10 minutes. And you can do, I'm sure this is flatbread. You can put any kind of toppings you want on here. I usually like cutting my basil, but let's just get this on here. intoxicating smells is fresh basil. Truly is wonderful. And we love basil in this house. All right. See how easy that is. So we're going to stick this in the oven, 475 for between 8 to 10 minutes. So on my adventure to Trader Joe's, I ended up getting a couple extra things. I got 2 cans of artichoke hearts, some garlic oil, some rosemary oil, some sofrita spices, and also some red wine vinegar. Now, the one thing I did get that was extra was our aioli garlic mustard sauce, which is supposed to go on burgers. So I'll be trying that this week as well. The oils are going to be for sourdough that I'm going to be doing this week, so watch out for that video. All right, there it is. Now I'm going to let this cool off, and then we will cut into it and see how it tastes. Okay, we are back. We're going to try taste test. This is my pizza aficionado right here. Try.
Yeah.
And the cat.
Seasoning's good. Wait, can I have the mic?
Yes.
Seasoning's good. The crust is not very cooked to the way I like it.
Yeah, it's a little hard.
Yeah, I'd prefer thicker crust, but like chewier.
This is more crust. Of a flatbread type crust. It's not bubbly.
So we can wait. So we can both be.
Oh, okay. You gonna share?
Yeah.
You try?
It's very good. I like the sauce. Is that
like
your
the
sauce?
No.
Oh,
that's the Trader Joe's sauce.
It's not very good then.
The sauce is on the sweet side.
Mm-hmm.
The cheese melted and browned perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
Much better than the cheese that we use from Kroger's. So definitely we're going to continue with the Trader Joe's cheese.
Inflation.
Pizza sauce or the pizza crust. If you're doing a flatbread, that might be a good idea. I definitely probably would suggest rehydrating it and maybe getting it a little bit softer, but it's definitely a flatbread type pizza.
What is rehydrating?
Giving it more hydration, more water.
I think it would be better if you used your sauce with the cheese.
Oh.
I think that would accentuate the flavor palette.
And this we thought was going to be way too much, like, because I bought 2 and it was a lot of dough. So it's definitely a flatbread. I would use this for flatbread.
Yeah. Like maybe breadsticks.
Yeah.
Like garlic breadsticks. You should do that for a video.
You're asking me to make garlic breadsticks?
For your next video. I'm trying to help you.
This is what I get.
I'm trying to help you.
Anyway, I hope you guys try it. That is our Trader Joe's pizza. Have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
That was really good. I really like that, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think the sauce